Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Now if you are new around here, my name is Danielle and today's video will feature a variety of long to short hair transformations. Next up we see someone who decided to switch things up with this really chic pixie cut. Loving the color on this style, the overall texture. This is very chic and fun. Such a cute hairstyle idea. Now, as always, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So she gives us a full 360 view of the cut here. Now this will be a great haircut option if you are looking to add some volume to your strands, simply due to the way that he texturized her hair. Very cute. Next up, we have a curly haircut transformation. Now there's so many women who have decided to embrace their natural curls, and there are quite a few haircut options out there floating around right now. So this is going to be one of them. He's going to add some bangs in the front and kind of give the hair some shape. Did like a curly shaggy cut here with a little bit of layers sprinkled in. Very nice. And if you guys do have curly hair and you're looking for some fun ways to shake things up, you can select a haircut and make sure that you go to a stylist that knows how to cut and define curly hair. Next up, we have someone with a bit of a bob. She's got some salt and pepper hair going on here with the natural grays. And look how she decided to switch it up. Gorgeous 8 symmetrical haircut. Oh, I'm loving this transformation. I also like the fact that she didn't color her hair. She left her natural grays peeking through, and I think the overall shape of the cut is just so modern and fun. And to be honest, this cut definitely made her look about 10 to 15 years younger. Next up, we see someone with hair just above their shoulders. She got a nice cut refresh into a chic bob cut. Very nice. Next up, we head with someone to the salon. So it looks like she has a bob here. Get some color. Oh, a pop of platinum. Oh, I love it. I haven't even seen the final results, but I am already in love. And it does look like she ended up getting a trim on the hair and some more of a traditional bob length. Ooh, wow, that platinum just looks so breathtaking. And the contrasting hair color trend is definitely one of my favorites this year. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna leave you to check out this last hair transformation.